Is this the easiest way to get leads? Part 1. How do you get more qualified leads in 2021? That is one question that my network marketing colleagues ask each other each week. It's not an unusual question. After all, hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about, is this the easiest way to get leads? Part 1. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. If you are running a multi-level, network, marketing business, then it is imperative that you have leads that you can market to. There is no point in building your business if you're not going to be able to sell a part of it to others. Now, I don't mean just any leads. I'm talking about qualified, targeted leads that are ready to buy now. So, how do you get more of those in the future? Well, I have some answers for you. How do you get more qualified leads in 2021? It starts with getting out on the road promoting your business. Sure, you could spend all day calling friends and family. And who knows, you might even make a new friend or two along the way. But, is this the easiest way to get leads in 2021? When was the last time you got some great ROI? If you haven't seen it yet, then you haven't been keeping up with the competition. You need to stay on top of the game and work hard to get leads to your doorstep. This means working hard on your advertising and getting it out there. I know this might sound like a lot of work. And yes, it is. But, the reward is worth it. In this day and age, people want whatever they can't find on Google. They want solutions. The problem with a traditional lead generation system is that they are usually complex. And, there are many different ways to get people to contact you. So, it can be hard to stand out in this extremely competitive market. What if there was an easy way to get leads? Is this the easiest way to get leads in 2021? Well, it really depends on the end result you're trying to achieve. If all you want is a single lead at a very high conversion rate, there is no easy way to do that. But, if you want to generate a whole bunch of leads for yourself, there is an easy way to do that. It's called video marketing and it works great for generating leads and generating sales. One of the biggest reasons why video marketing is so effective is because it's cheap. Yes, it is. And the great news is that you can set up a simple landing page for very little money. But, that's just the tip of the iceberg. Once you get good at making videos, you can make hundreds of videos and start profiting from them at a very rapid rate. So, when you're asking the question, is this the easiest way to get leads in 2021? You can actually answer, yes, without breaking a sweat. The other aspect that makes video marketing so powerful is the fact that it's 100% free. When you add video content to your website, you have to pay for it. That means that you're going to be paying for video marketing and you're going to be getting results. This makes video marketing the best, all-in-one, traffic strategy available online today. It will bring results. It will build trust with your visitors and it will make sure that every person who downloads your video has a reason to come back to your website. Let's talk about some specific strategies that you can use when you're thinking about getting more videos out there. First off, when you're writing your video marketing campaign, try to get creative. You'll want to create different segments, different types of information and try to get your message across using different devices. Keep it fresh, it'll keep the viewers coming back. Another way to get results with video marketing is to have your video. SEO or search engine optimization is a term that you'll come across time and again when you do any type of internet research. Basically, it means that you optimize your page content so that it shows up high when someone searches for particular terms. In our case, you're trying to get video leads. So the key to making your video SEO friendly is to optimize it as well. Create a title, build a description, and then do a keyword search and include as many of your keywords as you can. Video marketing is the easiest way to get free traffic to your site. If you optimize your video well, it will pop up on the first page of search engines when someone searches for certain things. You'll want to make sure that your video is captivating, informative, and useful. If you can do all that, you're going to be getting tons of free visitors. Thanks for watching my video about Is this the easiest way to get leads? Part 1. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.